Hello students, let's do some more questions on triangles. The first one is in triangle ABC, angle BAC is 90 degree, A in the center. So in this triangle, angle A is 90 degree. So this can be B and this is C. In this triangle, angle BAC is 90. Angle A is 90. AD is perpendicular to BC. This AD is perpendicular to BC. BC is hypotenuse. Clear? Then four options are given. Now bache, we have got three triangles. One is BAD, second one is ACD, and third is ABC, the whole triangle. And all the three triangles are similar to each other. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle 1. This is triangle 1. BAD. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle 2 also. And triangle 1 is similar to triangle 2. Clear? Now, how can we name triangle 1 and triangle 2? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle 1. In this triangle 1, in ABC, angle A is 90. In triangle 1, which angle is 90? D. So we write D at place of A. Angle B is common in both the triangles, triangle 1 and ABC. So in place of B, we write B. And the third vertex is B is done, third vertex is A. We have got the name of triangle 1, which is triangle DBA. ABC is similar to triangle 2 also. How can we name triangle 2? In ABC, angle A is 90. In this triangle, angle D is 90. Write D at place of A. Angle C is common. Write C at the place of C. D is done, C is done. What is left? A. We have named triangle 2 also. Triangle 1 and 2 are also similar. It means triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC. Clear? Now, look at the options. BD dot CD equals to BC square. Look at right hand side. We have BC square 2 times and AD square also 2 times. Now, is BC a part of any two triangles? BC is a part of one triangle, triangle ABC. But AD is the side of both the triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2. So let's take these two triangles. We know triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC. When two triangles are similar, sides are proportionate. So DB upon DA. Or we can write AD. Let's write AD. We write BD upon AD. BD upon AD equals to AB upon CA equals to, I am writing again AD upon CD. Let's take these two terms. We have BD upon AD equals to AD upon CD. Cross multiply. AD cross AD equals to BD into CD. AD square is equals to BD into CD. So, which option is correct? AD square equals to BD into CD. Option C. This is our correct option. The diagonals of a quadrilateral divide each other proportionally. Then it is parallelogram, trapezium, rectangle or square. Bache, what is quadrilateral? A four-sided polygon. And all these options, parallelogram, trapezium, rectangle and square, these are all quadrilaterals. But we know that diagonals of parallelogram, square, rectangle and rhombus bisect each other. But what about trapezium? We are left with one option, trapezium. What about trapezium? What is trapezium? A quadrilateral with a pair of opposite sides parallel. Say we have a trapezium A, B, C, D, where AB is parallel to DC. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is trapezium. Let's check. AC and BD are diagonals which intersect at O. Now, take two triangles, triangle AOB and other triangle COD. AB is parallel to DC and AC is transversal. This angle and this angle are equal. Say this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Alternate angles. Angle say 3, angle ABO is equals to angle ODC. Say angle 4. Angle 3 is also equals to angle 4. Again alternate angles. And angle AOB equals to angle COD. Vertically opposite angles. COD. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle AOB, similar to triangle COD, not DOC, because this angle is equals to this angle, angle OCT. So triangle COD. Both triangles are similar, and we know if two triangles are similar, their sides are proportionate. So AO upon CO equals to OB upon OD equals to AB upon CD. Now we see AO upon CO equals to OB upon OD. So the diagonals are proportionate. So the quadrilateral must be a trapezium. So option B is our correct option. In triangle ABC, it is given that AB upon AC equals to BD upon DC. We have a triangle ABC. It is given that AB upon AC equals to BD upon DC. Say D is a point on BC. So बच्चे, as per converse of angle bisector theorem, if we have a triangle ABC and D is a point on side BC, AB upon AC is equals to BD upon DC. If it is given, it means this AD is the bisector of angle A as per converse of angle bisector theorem. This concept is given in question number 9 of exercise 6.6 optional exercise of your NCERT book. Now, in this triangle, it is given AB upon AC equals to BD upon DC. It means AD is the bisector of angle A. It means angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. Both angles are equal. Now, in our triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is given 70 degree and angle C is 50 degree. 70 degree plus 50 degree equals to 180 and angle A is 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. Now we have to find angle BAD. Angle BAD is half of angle A because AD is bisector of angle A. So angle BAD is half of 60 degree, which is 30 degree. So which is our correct option? Option A is our correct option. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE. Angle A and angle C are given. We have a triangle ABC. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE. Let's draw another triangle DFE. ABC is similar to DFE. Angle A is given 30 degree. Angle C is given 50 degrees. AB is 5 centimeters. AC is 8 centimeters. DF is 7.5 centimeter. Then which of the following is true? We have to find which of the following is true. Let's check at the options. In two options, angle F are given. In two options, angle D are given. Now, angle F must be equals to angle B. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So 30 plus angle B plus 50 degree equals to 180, and angle B equals to 180 minus 80. We have 100 degree. Now we have found angle B as 100. Now if ABC is similar to DFE, so angle F will be equals to 100 degree. And if we look at angle D, angle A and angle D must be equal, and angle D must be equals to 30 degree. Because ABC is similar to DEF, so angle A and angle D must be equal. Now, again look at the options. F50, not needed. We have to check between option B and option D. Angle D 100 is also not correct. So, our answer must be between B and D. Clear? Now, two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE. जब triangle similar है बच्चे, sides must be proportionate. So, AB upon DF equals to BC upon FE and equals to AC upon DE. Now, AB is 5 centimeter upon DF is 7.5 equals to BC we don't know, upon FE also we don't know. AC is 8 upon DE. Let's take these two. 5 upon 7.5 equals to 8 upon DE. Cross multiply. 5 into DE equals to 8 into 7.5 and DE equals to 8 into 7.5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fives are 1.5 into 8, 12 centimeters. So out of B and D, which is correct option? Angle F 100 degree. DE is 12. In option D, EF is 12. So we have got DE as 12 centimeters. So which option? Option B is our correct option. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B and angle E are equal. Angle F and C are equal. We have two triangles ABC. Another is triangle DEF. Angle B and angle E are equal, given. Angle F and angle C are equal. And AB is equals to 3 times DE. If DE is x centimeter, AB is 3x centimeter. AB is 3 times of DE. Now we have to check whether these triangles are congruent or similar, or either congruent or similar. Now, if two triangles are congruent, what are the criteria for congruence of triangles? First one is SSS. All the three sides of one triangle must be equal to the three sides of another triangle, or SAS, two sides are equal and the angle between them is equal. Another one is ASA or AAS, and the fourth criteria is RHS. These are the four criteria for congruence. We don't have any criteria AAA. Now what is given in this? Two angles are equal. Clear? About side AB is 3 times DE. If AB equals to DE, if we are given that AB equals to DE, then the triangles can be congruent by which criteria? AAS. But two angles are given, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle B is equals to E, and C and F is similar to triangle DEF by which criteria? AA criteria. And AB is not equals to DE, it is 3 times DE, or we can say AB upon DE equals to 3 by 1. So triangles are similar but not congruent because AB is not equals to DE. So which option is correct? Congruent, not congruent, but not similar. This is wrong. Similar, triangles are similar but not congruent. This is correct. Neither congruent nor similar, again wrong. Similar as well as congruent, this is again wrong. So which is our correct answer? Option B. These two triangles are similar by AA criteria but not congruent. In triangle ABC and DEF, we have two triangles ABC and another is DEF. It is given that AB upon DE equals to BC upon FD. AB upon DE equals to BC upon FD. Then for similarity, which option is correct? Now, these two sides are proportionate. So, for criteria SAS, what is criteria SAS? Two sides are proportionate and the angle between these two sides must be equal. So, as per SAS criteria, when AB upon DE equals to BC upon FD, then angle B must be equals to angle D. Then triangles will be similar by which criteria? SAS. So which option? Option C is correct.